that the price can stay down or go for selling. So this was the key area which we were targeting, and the second zone was entirely in this area where we had marked with a blue color box, because we had identified this was the area that where we found some buying happening in the market. So if the price is staying just above this blue color box which we had marked, so that can induce some buying and push the price towards 6066. But still we advise you that it is like just a profit booking or some just like a pullback. But if the price is staying below 6000, we expected that the price will reach 6560, which was the low on the previous day, and it can possibly come and try 5931, the next zone. So these were all the areas which we expected the price to move. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. So after the price opening, we can see that the price was staying above 6020, and our charting platform, as usual, it had indicated that it is a continuation of what happened on the previous day. Now you can see the difference. You couldn't locate where the price closed on the previous day, that was on 23rd of October, and where the price is staying and opened on 24th of October, that was extra day. So our charting platform provided us a signal indicating that there is a possibility that the price can be pushed towards 6066. But as we always know, whenever we are trading against the trend, always there will be some sellers on the resistance. So what happened after that? The price again entered into the blue color zone, and there was a consolidation. You can see after testing the 6000, again it is providing a bounce back, and again it tried to move above 6020 to put some momentum. So there was a consolidation for a long period of time. Just it's taking its own time to decide whether we can go and test the 6066 or straight away we will continue the trend. But what happened after that? You can notice that when the price was breaking, coming again down below 6000, our charting platform gave us a signal there is a weakening of the pressure on the upper side, and there is an increase in pressure on the downside, which is a continuation of the trend. Now it again confirmed that. So you can see now this zone, complete this zone was taken as a resistance, and the price straight away coming down and approaching the first zone of 5960, which was the first expected target. That was exactly the low that was created on 23rd of October, and then the price came down. You can notice that it is just trying to test the second target zone, and we know it is also a major support. Now you can ask us a question, how we are identifying this major support and resistance, because we say everything where the possibly the market can reach before the price opening. So that is the major and great advantage of following our video presentation. It has two parts. One is identifying the key zones, which are all the major and most important zone, by using our experience, and also identifying the key target zones. And there is two part. One is how you are following the support, resistance and key zones, that is provided here in your video presentation. But the second part is our goodwill charting platform, which will give you a clear indication based upon the live trading market momentum. It will give you an indication where the price is staying. So from here, after consolidating here for a long time, the price is not straight away moving down. We know the price was coming from a long distance, right from 7000 zone. Crude is continuously staying down. Then again it tried to take some support around 5960, and then it gave a pullback. You can see just a leg of the candlestick suddenly entering into the zone, and there was a consolidation here for a long time, and the price closed around 6000 zone. So this was the entire price action that happened on yesterday's market. So nothing really big happened. Everything went to our expectation, and everything stayed within the limit of our expectation. Now let us see what happened, what we can do for today. So if you exactly look into the price flow analysis, in this video presentation what we are doing is that we are providing you support, resistance and also the key levels. Then we are doing the price flow analysis, which is the most important thing in technical analysis. So if you want to master this, you should know how the price is flowing like a river. Now what we can identify on seeing the price actions, we can take some key areas. Just that is how we pick the zone. So here if you see that this is one area because this was yesterday's low. Here you can notice that after taking some support here, the price straight away went around 6000 zone. Here the price did some consolidation and tried to put some effort above the key zone. Exactly the same thing happened, because the price want to reach the next target, that is why it came down and stayed below. Here if you notice that exactly the same thing happened, it took the support around 5960, then you can see it straight away went and closed here. So this is the area which we should focus a lot. Now we know that the price is just a bit struggling in this 5960 and the 6000 zone. Today the expected price opening is going to be near the same zone of 6000 zones. Again it is going to be the continuation of what happened on the previous day, so you know it very well what you should do for today. I am going to extend this, so this is going to be the key. If the price is opening around 6000 zone, by default our charting platform will provide you a blue color indicating the momentum is still on, because it is continuation of what is happening on the previous day. There will be a consolidation happening around 6020 and 6000 zone. To put it very clearly, that the price will do what it did on the price opening on the previous day, that was yesterday's market. So it is going to be continuation where the price is going to open near the 6000 zone, whether it is going to take resistance around 6020 or it is going to have this as a support. For your easy reference, go and see the price action that happened on the yesterday's price opening. So this is going to be the key area. So if the price is staying above 6020, again there will be some pressure coming out. It is a sort of buying pressure, or we can call it as a retracement, whatever in technical terms, but we can say it is purely against the trend. So that will push the price to the next zone of 6066. Whenever you trade or go against a trend using our charting platform, because it has got the ability to provide you automatic buy and sell signals, what you do is that whenever the price is approaching near the key resistance area, book your profit and come out. So that is the best practice you can do whenever the price is consolidating. Don't target for big profits. Whenever you find a momentum, for example, let me explain you how to do this. So if you find like this, if the price is providing you a buy signal above this, what you should do, give a buy, go for a buy call, and then you should be very careful the price where you should place your stop loss. That is the next question. Just below 6000 zone where the price consolidated, you can notice that you can take always the previous day price action for reference. That is the major reason why we are taking a lot of effort in explaining you how the price is flowing on the previous day. So this is one part for bias, but be very careful while doing this. The second part is that, so if the price is trying to hit the resistance, just book your profit immediately and come out. There may be a huge swing, but we don't expect that, because we know clearly we are betting against a trend. The second part is that if the price is staying below 6000 zone, just you know that what it will happen, it will come and try and test 5960, like as usual it will keep doing what it is always doing. So these are the target zones. Again, we are not giving you a very big target zone, because we are reducing the target zones because we know the market is oversold here. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.